Oh yeah, did they
Pop
open
Mart,
it?
ew.
Hello, it's my first time on the vlog.
I know. So we're going to Bianca's favorite restaurant at the moment, the Sweet Green.
I want to get a bowl instead of a kid's.
No, just get the
I want a
kids meal. Just get a kids meal.
I don't want kids. Then we just get it. Because I get the bowl every time.
It's so cool.
I'll let you guys try it.
Wait, which one?
The bowl.
Oh, good. Wait, what do you recommend?
Recommend
Yeah.
salmon or
Is it good?
blackened chicken. With yours.
Wait, can you order for me?
What do you want? Here, do you want?
Hey guys. So we're here at Sweet Green. Kasi favorite daw dito ni Bianca. Kakadating lang ni Bianca from LA. And gusto niya kaming dalhin dito. Ang pangit ng weather ngayon kasi umuulan. And merong warning na thunderstorm daw. Ewan ko. Or tornado. Kakagaling lang namin from work. Kaya ganito yung itsura.
My sauce.
Hey guys. Wait, let me taste. So, meron ako ditong salmon. Ang tawag dito? Tofu. Sweet potato. And salad. And avocado.
You try.
Because if I like it, am I gonna go back here tomorrow? Diba? No, bukas. Ay, mo lumabas bukas?
Just order it. You know, while we're working, he's probably gonna order it to the stores next time. I told you. Try the salmon.
My favorite.
Your salmon looks so good today.
Wait, what? This is crazy.
I know, right? I swear.
No, for real, it's so
Wait,
good.
has this new?
Yeah, I think so.
Look, I've never seen it.
Hey guys, so magpapagupit tayo ngayon ulit. Kakapagupit ko lang last week pero parang feeling kong sobrang haba na naman ang buhok ko. Look, I'll show you. Yan. Parang feeling ko haba na naman yan. Kaya magpapagupit ulit tayo and parang gusto ko ng sobrang ikling buhok. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. But, yeah. And tomorrow, kikitain ko si Miles. No, later after ko magpagupit, magsi-sweet green kami ni Miles kasi favorite ano ko na siya. Favorite restaurant ko na siya so far. But ngayon, breakfast ko lang. W. So, nandito na ako. Liya ako. Hindi ko kasi kilala kung sino yung magugupit sa akin. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya. And I think ko na siya dito. Nakakahiya. Hey guys. Good morning. So, wait lang, kita niyo ba ako? Ang taba ako ngayon. Oh my God. So, ito yung fit natin ngayon. Kikitain ko si Miles. And si Miles and Bianca. Kikitain ko silang dalawa. Ito yung fit natin. I got this bag from Zara. This Henley shirt from Hollister. And the pants, balloon. Yeah, balloon pants. It's from Zara. So, nilili lang ako dito ng ganito. It's my sunglasses from Gentle Monster. So, yeah. Magbe-blazer na lang siguro ako dito later kasi ang lamig. Magbe-breakfast lang kami. Magbe-brunch lang kami. Then after that, magko-coffee shop. Then take some photos.
It's like right next to Mariano's. I don't know what it's called. I think that's near Black.
So, we're now here.
You guys the park.
Finally. Ang lamig, guys. So, tapos na kami kumain. Fini-figure out pa nila kung saan kami pupunta. Dead my lang sa blessing. Low-key, yes. Tara! Sorry, masarap yun. So, inaantay ko si Bianca at saka si Miles today. Nasa Aritzia kami ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung ano ginagawa nilang dalawa. Nagsusukat ata si Miles. Tapos si Bianca magre-return ng something na nabili niya last time. Ayun. And nabili ko rin pala yung hindi naman like gustong gusto pero gusto lang na jacket from Zara. So it's ano siya, yung fireman crop top na ano, na jacket. Nasa na sila? And hindi pa namin alam kung anong plan namin later. Kung pupunta ba kami somewhere or what. But for sure magda-dinner kami. Gusto ko magpalit na ng damit eh. Gusto ko mag-t-shirt lang. Though kasi ang lamig. But gusto ko mag-t-shirt lang. Tapos meron akong in-order sa Arc'teryx na beanie na pink. And yung Nike ko na ano, na pink din na sapatos.
Ito, bet ko.
Ayoko niya. Ayan, nag-report ka. Pili ko. Mukbangers. Look what I got. A lot. A lot.
How many of what's on there?
I got that one. Anong kinuha mo?
To go back.
To go.
For tomorrow.
And here's Bianca. Bianca.
Oh, yes, sa dulo. Ito, marker.
Eh di croissant, ganun. So, fun fact guys, favorite niya si Miffy. Weird fact.
Let's play imposter in the car.
I know! Ngayon din, para mapag-practicean natin.
True. You know, but you should do the one where you get a hint.
Yeah, I got
It's
it.
hard if you don't get it.
Yeah, I got it. Because what if you'll be the first?
What do you get? Text me. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
So, nasa Yard House kami ngayon with Miles, Bianca, and Alejandro. Magdi-dinner kami. Kasi uuwi na si Bianca next week, papuntang LA.
We're getting lettuce wrap. I think we're just sharing. We're getting 3 appetizers if you want to share. Lettuce wrap, queso dip, and chicken nacho.
We making that.
Wait lang.